How to advertise on Yelp. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can advertise on Yelp. So what do you do first? The first thing to do is to ensure that you have the Yelp application installed on your mobile device. And the second thing is to click on the app to launch the app. So after clicking on the app to launch the app, it will load, you'll be asked to log in and all of that. Ensure you log in, okay? And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the page where you see different items that you can get on Yelp. Alright, as you can see on my screen. And then by the lower part of the screen, you can see some icons as well, which include the search icon, the project icon, meme, collections, and more. Now, for you to be able to advertise on Yelp, you'd have to create a business profile. And how do you do this? By clicking on the more option. Having done that, we brought to the more page. On this page, you can see some tabs. Scroll down until you can see Yelp for Business, and then under Yelp for Business, click on Add a Business. And here you have to select if you're a customer or you work at a business. Select one and then create a business account. After creating a business account, on your business account page, you'll be able to see an option of how you can create an ad. All right, on the page you'll see create ads option, so just click on it. Note that your first ad can be created in minutes. All right, you can customize your ad the way you want, or you can let Help do it for you. And the good thing about this is that you can edit or you can cancel this ad at any time, and you can also set it to pay only when someone clicks on your ad. You can also view your ad performance tracking in your Yelp ads dashboard. Okay, and you can also choose your ad budget, even if it's as low as $5 per day on average. Okay, this is basically how we can do it. Okay, the major way of how we can advertise on Yelp is by creating a business account. I cannot create a business account here because I am currently not in the region where Yelp business is accepted and supported. But for you, you can create it. So ensure you carry this out. Thanks for watching and have a good